Hi, I'm Greg Verlander with Tender Care Beds, and I'm here at the Hospice of Southern Kentucky to show you how easy it is to install the headboards and footboards onto the hospital beds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the headboard and I'm going to get right behind the bed and it just slides down into place. You move it down into where it hits the frame, push it down. Then you can move to the footboard. See the existing footboards that came on it. It will just slide directly over. So you rest it here. Just a little bit. Nice and firm. And that's how easy it is to install. You can call us at 1-877-407-4440. Thank you.